Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix limited connectivity on Android in a simple way. First, toggle your connections. Turn Wi-Fi off and back on, or switch temporarily to mobile data and then reconnect to Wi-Fi. This refreshes the network connection. Next, restart both your Android phone and your wireless router. Unplug the router for about 30 seconds before turning it back on. Many connectivity problems are fixed by restarting both devices. Another helpful fix is forgetting the Wi-Fi network and reconnecting again. Open Settings, go to Wi-Fi, select your network, and tap Forget. Then reconnect by entering the Wi-Fi password again. You should also check your phone's date and time settings. Open Settings, go to Date and Time, and enable automatic or use network-provided time. Incorrect time settings can create internet authentication problems. You can also try toggling airplane mode. Turn it on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off again. This resets wireless connections on your phone. If the issue continues, try using a static IP address. Open your Wi-Fi network settings, change IP settings from DHCP to static, and save the settings. This may help resolve IP conflicts with the router. Another possible cause is a VPN or firewall app. Disable any VPN services or security apps temporarily because they can interfere with internet access or slow the connection. After completing these steps, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and check if the limited connectivity message disappears. Thanks for watching.